Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel How To Tutorials. In today's video, we're going to see how you can make your battery icon and others bigger on your phone. Well, there's quite a process that you can do, so let's dive right into it. So the first thing that you'd have to do is go to your settings. And on your settings, you'll have to scroll down all the way down and then tap on About Phone. So on the About Phone, you have to again scroll down and then tap on Software Information. After doing so, here you can see there is the option of build number. You'll have to tap on build number 7 times in order to activate your developer mode. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And here you'll have to now enter your phone passcode. After entering your phone passcode, tap on continue and then tap on OK. After doing so, your developer mode has successfully been enabled. Now you can go back to your main settings. And on your main settings, you have to tap on the search bar right here and then start typing developer option. So after typing developer options, here you can see the pop-up right here. You can tap on it like this and then you can see this is the developer options. And in here, you have to scroll all the way down until you see drawing section. And you can see drawing section is right here, and under the drawing section here you can see there is the option of minimum width. You'll have to tap on it, and currently by default you can see it is 360. So in order to increase the size of the icons of your phone, you have to add down the lower number. For example, I'm going to add 300, then tap on OK. And just like this, you can see your icons has now been bigger. So again, tap on minimum width and I'm going to add 400, tap on OK, and you can see it has now been smaller. So like this, you can simply just tap on minimum width and then increase or decrease the size just like this. Again, OK. And just like this, here you can see your battery icon and all of the other icons of your phone has now been increased or decreased. And that is it. That is how you can make your battery icon and others bigger on your phone. I hope this video was helpful to you guys. If it was, please do not forget to hit that subscribe button and like our video. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next.